Alright, so here we are, stuck on Winchester. Stuck on Winchester. There you go.
Thank you.
Look at this. Stuck on Winchester.
Love you. I'm flying into Damon.
Oh yeah. Fuck yes you are. Oh, tell me we might need some more help. Yeah, these guys are gonna help us.